Welcome to the top 5 most colorful aquarium fish, starting with the guppy.
The guppy is widely known as the ultimate national aquarium fish.
Professional breeding creates countless color variations and tail shapes.
Every single guppy fish features a unique and mesmerizing color palette. The guppy is extremely easy to keep for any beginner.
A large school of guppies adds incredible life to any tank.
The guppy is highly adaptable and fits perfectly into all tank types.
The species reproduces very easily within the home aquarium. The iridescent scales reflect light beautifully across the room.
Notice the elegant spread of the wide and colorful fins.
A gentle water flow keeps the guppy fish highly active.
The guppy explores all levels of the aquarium environment.
Some guppies feature an intricate snakeskin pattern on the body.
The guppy eagerly accepts almost any high-quality fish food.
A flash of yellow and red brings the aquascape to life.
The fish requires very little maintenance to stay completely healthy.
The peaceful nature makes the guppy a perfect community fish.
The guppy remains the undisputed king of beginner aquarium fish.
Enjoy the mesmerizing beauty of the classic guppy fish.
Next on the list is the spectacularly beautiful betta fish.
Modern betta fish feature incredibly diverse and vivid coloration.
Introlinus, that's an Introlins flower. The betta fish flares the gills to display pure aquatic dominance. The betta fish is extremely hardy and resilient in nature.
The betta fish does not require complex filtration equipment.
The fish can breathe atmospheric air without extra oxygen machines.
The betta fish is absolutely perfect for small desktop aquariums.
Notice the highly intricate rays spreading across the beautiful tail.
The intense colors contrast dramatically against the green aquatic plants.
The betta fish moves with a slow and highly deliberate grace.
Floating leaves provide the perfect natural environment for the betta.
The highly intelligent betta fish will interact with the owner.
Feed the betta fish high-protein pellets for the best colors. The half-moon tail shape is a true masterpiece of aquatic breeding. Avoid strong water currents to protect the delicate flowing fins.
Fearless personality makes the betta fish an amazing pet.
A metallic shine covers the deep blue scales beautifully.
The betta fish calmly patrols the designated aquarium territory.
The long ventral fins drop down like elegant, colorful ribbons.
The betta fish is truly a swimming work of art.
The ram cichlid is one of the most incredibly colorful fish.
Stunning warm colors cover the entire body of the ram cichlid.
Bright blue iridescent spots glow beautifully under the aquarium lights.
A bold black spot provides a striking contrast on the side.
The ram cichlid is very peaceful and perfect for community tanks.
The fish displays a mild territorial behavior over a small area. A very small space is enough to keep the ram cichlid happy.
Notice the incredibly striking red eyes on the beautiful ram cichlid.
The dorsal fin features uniquely extended and colorful rays.
The fish loves to sift gently through the fine sand bottom.
The ram cichlid can easily breed directly inside the home aquarium.
The parents will carefully clean a flat surface for the eggs.
The breeding colors of the ram cichlid are absolutely breathtaking.
Feed the ram cichlid a balanced diet for the best colors.
The golden yellow face beautifully transitions into a blue tail. Dense aquatic vegetation makes the ram cichlid feel completely secure. Live foods highly encourage the natural hunting instincts of the fish.
The lower water column is the preferred zone for the ram cichlid.
The fish brings a fiery splash of color to any planted tank.
The ram cichlid is a perfect gem for the community aquarium.
The striking killifish offers absolutely amazing color variations.
Bright red dots cover the beautiful light blue body completely.
The killifish has recently created a massive fever among fish keepers.
Notice the incredibly vibrant yellow edges on the beautiful fins.
The uniquely shaped tail makes the killifish stand out instantly.
The killifish is very affordable and highly accessible for everyone.
The killifish is incredibly easy to care for and maintain.
The fish serves as the perfect visual focal point for planted tanks. The surface-dwelling killifish loves hunting for tiny floating foods.
Beautiful red stripes run straight through the blue tail fin.
Bright LED lighting makes the killifish colors look completely unreal.
The male killifish displays the most intense and bright red patterns.
Always use a tight lid because the killifish loves to jump.
The killifish is highly peaceful and perfect for nano community tanks.
The killifish brings a totally unique and exotic look to the setup.
The fish eagerly accepts high-quality crushed flakes and live foods.
Dense floating roots provide an excellent natural habitat for the killifish.
The cylindrical body is perfectly designed for surface-level swimming.
The killifish provides a quick burst of energy and extreme color.
The killifish is definitely a must-have for the colorful aquarium.
The final fish is the deeply nostalgic and native paradise fish.
Prominent red and blue vertical stripes cover the entire body.
The incredibly long and pointed tail fin flows like a ribbon.
The native paradise fish brings back fond childhood memories for many.
The colors easily rival any expensive imported aquarium fish species.
The paradise fish is known for extreme hardiness and strong vitality.
The fish is extremely easy to feed and accepts anything.
The species is highly sought after by the modern aquascaping community.
Notice the distinctive dark spots located directly on the gill covers.
The male paradise fish shows the most vibrant blue and red contrast.
Like the betta, the paradise fish can breathe air from the surface.
Dense stem plants provide an excellent natural environment for the fish.
The paradise fish explores the entire tank with absolute confidence. The fish flares the fins to show off the truly majestic size.
Beautiful white edges highlight the extremely long and flowing fins.
Floating plants make the paradise fish feel completely comfortable and safe.
The paradise fish is the ultimate centerpiece for any native biotope.
Like, share, and subscribe for more colorful aquarium top 10s.
Hit the bell to never miss another amazing fish care guide.
This is the Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.